again. Haha. I decided to try and make some music right quick. Some days it's difficult for me to. It's hard for me to get into it. It's hard for me to get into that. Oh geez, I don't know. I can't think of a good word for it. I guess just in the mood. Music for me has become such a tool to keep from getting bored and whatnot, and I get an immense amount of inner satisfaction. Excuse me. When I can play something, I get that sense of accomplishment, and it builds me up inside. And to go along with, all of you know that I support the what about hashtag what about the abuse. I am, or I was a victim of abuse. Only problem is it carried over into my adult life to a degree, and it carried over into my adult life to a degree, and I'm learning now to stop it, I guess you could say, and deal with it. And my guitar and my music help me do that a lot. I messed it up. I try not to play too much of stuff that people can recognize, because I like to try and be original. Let's see, where's one? Let's see. Trying to think of how that goes now, gosh darn it. Let's see. Let's see. Little CCR down on the corner. I mean, I do like to play stuff like that on occasion, but a lot of time, and there are there's some songs that I do like to cover that are more of the folk style. There's one by a group called the Heavy Horses. It's called Pale Rider, and that's pretty much how the song goes. And it took me forever to get that one little lick there at the end, but that's what I do a lot on days like this when it's really kind of nasty outside. Then see, I'm getting confused by the camera again. I see my image on the screen, and I want to tilt this way because but the door's that way. It's gonna revert. That's anyway. I used to not be able to make that chord. Okay, I got to get some serious practicing done. I need to shut this off for right now, and not to mention the fact that there's a couple of things. The way I do this is I practice for a while, then I get up and I do some stuff, rinse and repeat. That's how I get my things done. It also gives my back a chance to. Rest and such and whatnot, so that I don't overwork it. But that's all for now. I will, as I start to gain a little more confidence being on camera and get a little more confident in my abilities, I will make some videos where I do some full songs. But take care. Bye-bye. Bye, Bonds. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Anyway, bye. See you later.